Fasting. Please take back your power. How you take back your power? By controlling the way you react to every situation. You cannot control what other people do, but you can control how you react to every situation. When you feel frustrated, when you feel mad, you need to control your feelings. Take back your power. You cannot be arguing with somebody, even though when you're right and they wrong, you cannot argue with them. So at the end of the day, let them talk. Don't give in you energy, because there's a lot of people that take you energy when you start arguing with them. They want to argue, and then you cannot argue because you know the only person that you need to validate is yourself. You don't need to validate anybody else but yourself. That's what I say. That's how you take your power, by controlling your outcome, controlling how you react to every situation, by becoming the best version of yourself. By anything that you can control, you gotta become the best. You can control how you eat. You can control how to build your body. So you need to take back your power, and then start worrying what other people do, what other persons do. Start worrying about them. You need to focus on you. Start worrying the other person is more successful than you. Maybe it's not your time, so you need to still work on yourself. Work on yourself, and life is about preparation, meaning opportunity. So you need to be prepared, because when the opportunity comes, you're gonna be ready and you're gonna shine. I am the fasting beast.